Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly use Paula'S Choice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Paula'S Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. So this product, it's for all skin types and it clears mild acne, minimize enlarged pores, exfoliate dead skin, and reduces oiliness, and it also improves skin texture. So this is a very good product. It's for all skin types. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores. It smoothens and evens skin tone. So if you have acne, this is a very good product you can try on your skin. And everybody who has used this product, or if you check on Amazon or if you check on Paula'S Choice reviews, they have very nice reviews. So the main key ingredients to this product is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid clears and minimizes enlarged pores. It shades buildups, layers of the skin, and also reduces visibilities of fine lines and wrinkles. That is a very good product. And also it has green tea. Green tea soothes irritations, and it has anti-aging benefits. It also improves sun visibility. Product, when I used to have acne, I used to use products which has salicylic acid in them. But the difference between them and this is the other product I used to use they had like scrubs or something you scrub your skin with, but the good thing with this product, it is just liquid. It exfoliates. You don't have to wash it out, you leave it on your skin. So it's very important to know how to use the product. So the back of this product, it says directions of use: apply over face and neck with fingers or cotton pad. Do not rinse it at first. Use every other day, then up to twice a day. For daytime, follow with sunscreen. First of all, you don't want to apply a product on a dirty face. You want to make sure your skin is clean. Very important to wash your hands, and it's very important to wash your face. So this is the product I'm going to wash my face with. I'm going to use Cerave Foaming cleanser. It's also for normal to oily skin. Then I'm just going to use this. I'm going to massage it into my skin. If you don't know how to use Cerave Foaming cleanser, I did a video showing you how to use it properly. I'll make sure I leave it on the link on the description box below. Well, I'm just going to dry my skin using the microfiber. Well, at this point, after washing your face, making sure your face is clean, you can go ahead. If you have a toner, you can go ahead and apply the toner on your face. If you don't have it, you can actually skip it. So then we're going to use this product. So the reason why I bought this, there is a big one. This product is a little bit pricey. Bought this product is at 14 pounds, and I think the other big one, I don't know what ml, I'll check it and show you on the screen, is around 32 pounds. So it's a very expensive product, so you want to use it as small as you can. So I bought this one so that I could actually check if it really works, and also I'm going to use it for the next 2 weeks or for the next 1 month. Then I'll do a video showing you how my skin will actually be like after using it for 2 weeks or for a month. I'll show you. So on the on Paula'S Choice website, they say you apply, how to apply with your hands or using a cotton pad. Gently pat on your face and neck. So when to apply, at first apply once every other day and note the response of the skin. Then use up to twice daily, and for daytime always finish using a sunscreen with 30 SPF. So this product, it's very, you can use a cotton pad, yes, as they say, but this product is very, you're going to use a lot of it when you use a cotton pad, but it depends on you. If you want to use a cotton pad, it's okay, but for me it's expensive and it's a very good product. I really don't want to waste it on a cotton pad, so I just use a little bit of it. I put on my hand. So if you haven't seen it before, this is how it comes out. Like, this is how it is. You can see how liquidy it is. Oh, that's a lot. I've wasted a lot there. Well, I'm going to put just a little bit in my hand, palm of my hand, or here. Then I'm going to apply it on my skin. Then I'm going to apply it on my face. So they say you can apply it on your eyelid, you can apply it here, but if it goes in your eyes, make sure you wash it with a lot of water. So for me, I just have to do it this. So this is how my skin is, and this is how my skin is feeling like. You can use as much as you want, but you don't want to abuse this product, to be honest. Well, they say you can use it on their website. They say you can use it on their website. They say you can use it in the morning and in the afternoon. And I must say, there is no need for you to exfoliate your skin each and every in the morning and in the afternoon. For a starter, I'll recommend you use this product maybe twice a week or thrice a week, but make sure you see how the product is responding with your skin. They don't want to rush a product. You need to give it up to 3 weeks or 1 month just to see how it reacts with your skin. So if you apply it once, if you apply today and it irritates your skin, you skip maybe tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow, then you apply it again. This is a very good product. Then after applying this, if you have a serum, after applying the Paula'S Choice, after applying the product, if you have a serum, you can go ahead and use it. And if you don't have any serum, you can actually follow it with your favorite moisturizer, but you want to let it sit up to maybe 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes before you apply before you apply a moisturizer. So for today, so you can actually see how my face is with it already. So for today's, for this video, I'm going to use Cerave moisturizing cream. So I'm just going to use just use this to help me scoop it out, because you don't want to put everything in your hands. So scoop it a little bit, not much. God, that's too much, because I just wash this afterwards anyway. I just wash this afterwards anyway, so well, you can actually see how my face is after applying the moisturizer. But the other thing I wanted to say is that don't apply this product on your eye, on the here. Don't apply it on the eyelid. But it's very important to use the sun cream. It's very important. So I'm going to use La Roche Posay sun cream. So this is the one for 50 SPF. This product is very runny, so you want to make sure it doesn't come out well. So this is how I use. You just don't need a lot of it. Well, I must say my skin is feeling so good. If you have acne, this product is a very good product for you. Kindly go and check it out and let me know. Go and check it out and let me know how you actually find it. This product is a very good product, and this is one of the best exfoliators I've ever seen or I've ever used for a long period of time. So that is how to use, and that is for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.